Most people arriving in Sweden think any digital payment app will work everywhere without issues. That is where mistakes begin. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming Sweden still relies on cash, or that all wallets function the same way. Here's the truth no one tells you. Sweden is one of the most cashless countries in the world, and the right digital wallets can make your life faster, cheaper, and much more convenient in 2026. Quick promise. In this video, you will learn the 10 best digital wallets in Sweden, how they actually work in daily life, and which ones help you save money, avoid fees, and get the smoothest payment experience. Let's start with the basics. A digital wallet lets you pay using your phone instead of cash or cards. In Sweden, this is already standard in cities like Stockholm, Gothenburg, and Malmö. But here's the problem. Not every wallet is equally useful depending on whether you are a resident, expat, or traveler. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sweden's payment system is heavily bank-linked, meaning most wallets are tied directly to local banks or national systems. First is Swish. This is the most important payment app in Sweden. It is used for everything from splitting dinner bills to paying rent. If you live in Sweden, Swish is practically essential. It is instant and directly connected to your bank account. Next is Apple Pay. It is widely accepted across stores, restaurants, and public transport. It is fast, secure, and works well with most Swedish banks like SEB and Swedbank. Google Pay is also widely used, especially among Android users. It works smoothly for contactless payments when linked to supported cards. Now let's talk about Klarna. This is a Swedish-born fintech app that is extremely popular. It allows you to shop now and pay later, and it also offers cashback deals and installment options. For someone like Lisa shopping online in Stockholm, Klarna is everywhere. Revolut is another strong option. It is especially useful for travelers and expats. It offers real exchange rates, low international fees, and budgeting tools. If Alex moves from the US to Sweden, Revolut can save him a lot on currency conversion. Wise is also very important. It is widely used for international transfers and multi-currency accounts with transparent fees. It is ideal for freelancers or people sending money abroad. SEB Mobile app is one of the major banking wallets in Sweden. It offers full banking features, payments, and strong security. Swedbank app is another widely used banking tool. It integrates payments, transfers, and card management in one place. Nordea Mobile is also popular and trusted, especially for personal and business banking. Finally, Trustly is widely used for online payments. It connects directly to your bank and is often used for fast checkout on Swedish websites. In a minute, here's what really matters. In Sweden, Swish is the core of everyday payments. Apple Pay and Google Pay add convenience. Klarna dominates online shopping. Revolut and Wise handle international money movement. To summarize, Sweden's digital wallet system is built around speed, bank integration, and simplicity. Swish leads daily payments, while Klarna, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Wise, and Revolut complete the ecosystem in 2026. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment where you are watching from, and subscribe for more clear and practical finance guides.